Well, it is Friday, and I am back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey. I was actually in Luzerne County, Pennsylvania today, finishing off a case that ended very well for our client. The case initially started as a VUFA, a violation of the Uniform Firearms Act in Pennsylvania, and ended up with a non-trial disposition to a small amount of marijuana. So, just an ungraded misdemeanor and a very, very minor charge, and our clients just in great shape moving forward. The case has started just very, very serious, and we were able to get the firearms charge dismissed at the preliminary hearing level, which is often very difficult because, as I've stated in books and blogs and previous videos, the standard of proof at a preliminary hearing in Pennsylvania is prima facie, more probable than not that a crime occurred. So it's not a high burden that the Commonwealth has to achieve to get a case held for trial. In this particular case, though, the evidence was extremely weak, and the district court was in agreement with us and our argument, and the matter was discharged. A misdemeanor charge did proceed to the Court of Common Pleas in Luzerne County, and we handled that today. And again, a very, very good result for our client. With that said, it is the final holiday weekend of the summer, and people will be traveling out and about in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I always give my weekend advice, particularly on holiday weekends where there's an increased police presence, both in the state and local roads. Driving today to Luzerne County, which is about 140 miles for me, it's a quite a distance, but sometimes we have to do that for our clients, and we travel over Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So today was a very, very long drive, left very early, didn't hit any traffic as I expected. And but driving there, must have gone through a number of speed traps. Didn't get stopped, luckily, but I did see a highway, a very strong police presence, leaving New Jersey, going into the Commonwealth, and coming back into the Garden State. So both states, there's always a high state trooper presence, and also just a high presence on the local roads with the local police. So if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or WI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will not help your criminal case. It will result in an immediate license suspension if you do refuse the breathalyzer. You can refuse the blood test. The police do need a search warrant for it. If they get a search warrant, then you can't refuse it. For the most part, New Jersey doesn't use blood tests. It uses the alco test, which is a breathalyzer. So it's a good opportunity just to understand that it is the holiday week and people will be traveling. So keep that in the back of your mind. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania. If police want to search the car, do not get in their way, but make it clear you're not giving consent. Even if police tell you they don't need a warrant, don't give consent to search the car. Do it in a respectful and polite manner. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I'm going to link in the latest e-update, which went out today to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In addition, I'm going to link in the recent blog article I wrote about the incident at Villanova and the hoax and the swatting incident, which they're calling now. I've never heard that term used before, swatting. It's basically a prank phone call. It must be new, but just a article that I wrote on that topic. It's a good, strong article. It talks a lot about terroristic threats and prank phone calls and what types of charges people could face yeah, if they're caught for what happened at Villanova. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Friday. Have a great holiday weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.